A friend of mine is restoring a rare classic Mopar, and he's big into numbers matching, and he wants to keep this car as original as possible. Now, he brought me this proportioning valve assembly, and there's an issue with it, and he asked if I could repair it. And you can see some of the numbers there, and this is the one that we want to preserve because it's mated to this assembly. And now you can see the problem is obvious. A stud is broken off. Now traditionally that it would just be drilled out, but we would lose the numbers, and he wants to keep it original. So I'm going to proceed with a repair here, and I'm going to be doing it a little bit differently. So what I have here is a drill stop set and an 1/8 inch drill bit. And this is how it works. So we want the drill bit to stop right about in there. Okay, so I'm going to surface that broken stud area and drill it to the desired depth. Now I have an old drill bit, so I'm going to tap that into place, and that's nice and firmly seated. And now this is a braided bolt. You don't really want to use a soft bolt for this. So we're just going to surface that up, get it nice and flat. Center mark. And we're going to use the drill press to put a nice straight hole in that thing. And that hole is also an 1/8 inch. So everything is going to mate up. And there it is. And so we are actually after the stud, or creating a stud, I should say. And now we're going to bevel that all the way around 360 degrees. And there's a shot of that. And that's what we're after. And there it is. Okay, so that's our weld area. And the purpose of the drill bit is to keep this thing straight, because as we weld, it's going to want to move all over the place and it won't be straight. And I'm just going to get a quick tack on each side with the TIG. And now for the tricky part. We're going to use a little bit of filler rod and go around that thing, but we want to keep it really accurate. We don't want to make a big mess or burn through, destroy what we've done here, or damage the threads. And when we're finished, I'm just going to zip this end of the drill bit off. And we're going to chase the threads down as far as possible. And let's see if all of this worked the way we wanted to. And there it is. We have our numbers in the rear, and we've threaded down as far as possible. Now this is the original nut. We could have just trash canned this thing, but Clint's gonna really like using the original nut. Big numbers matching guy. Want to help him out. So we're going to surface that. Get it nice and flat. And now we can use the appropriate bit and drill that out. And rethread it. So now we have saved and preserved the whole original assembly. There it is. Now this is what it would look like mounted into the car, and we're just double checking, making sure everything's going to work out correctly. Hey, if you want to know about a lot of Mopar stuff, check out my buddy's Clint's website, PlymouthCuda.com. And that's what it will look like mounted in the car. Happy with that. Original part saved. Hey, and always, thanks for watching.